In this video we're going to go across the installation of the Rhinox MQX manual quick hitch. So when you receive the quick hitch and you open the box up, take the coupler out, remove the plastic packaging. The coupler is fitted with the mounting pins to mount it to the excavator. It comes with a pack of shims, 4 of 3 different sizes. So you've got a 1mm shim, a 2mm and a 3mm option. It comes complete with a handle and handle holder. This comes independent to the coupler box, so this will be boxed and packaged separately. And it comes with a set of safety stickers to be mounted to the machine, along with a certificate of conformity and a user guide. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll remove the mounting pins. We'll take the bolts out with the locating washer and we'll put them to one side for later. When we remove the pins, make sure that we don't leave them on the floor so they don't take up any dirt and that we could ingress into the bushes on the excavator. So we'll now move the coupler so it's somewhere under the dipper arm, roughly in line with it. Then we'll get in the excavator and we'll lower the bucket link down first into the rear pin hole to start mounting it to the machine. So we'll now lower the dipper arm down, place the bucket link between the rear pin hole. So we'll insert the rear bucket pin into the tipping link and we'll just roughly position that for now. We can now lift the arm up and position the front pin into the dipper. The reason we insert the rear pin first is it allows the coupler to swing then, and it's much easier to align the front pin. As you can see here, we've got a full range of motion just with one hand. We'll fit the shims to the front pin and then we can shim up the rear pin later. So, as mentioned earlier in this bag, there's 12 shims in total, 4 3mm options, 4 2mm and 4 1mm options. For this instance we'll use a 1mm shim at the front, so we can place that between, ready for when we insert the pin. We'll now partially remove the rear pin and we can shim the back of the coupler. So we can insert the shim and then we'll refit the pin. We can now put the retaining bolts in to hold the pins into the coupler. So when we insert the retaining washer, just make sure that the top hat side goes into the pin slot. Let's just make sure it holds it secure. We'll just start these by hand. We'll now tighten the bolts up with an impact gun. And that's the coupler installed. So once the coupler's installed, the coupler should be greased. So there's 2 greasing points for the pins, one here and one here, and one to the rear of the latch. This should then be re-greased ideally every day in the morning before you start the shift, just to make sure that everything's kept lubricated. For more information on how to operate the MQX quick hitch, see the video here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Rhinox YouTube channel for more content on our product range.